The Latin Grammys, an acclaimed music awards ceremony that brings together the most prominent names in the industry, will be held in Spain for the first time in its 23-year history this November. This momentous occasion is considered a historic event for Andalucía and its cultural scene. Juanma Moreno, the president of the Andalusian regional government, expressed his excitement about the event, stating that it will have a global impact on the region and involve multiple cities. The location of the ceremony is yet to be confirmed, but Seville is the top contender due to its close ties with the Latin world and experience in hosting major events. However, other locations, such as Malaga, are being considered. In the lead-up to the ceremony, 8 important musical events will be held in the chosen city. The CEO of the Latin Grammys, Manuel Abud, has promised a spectacular celebration of musical excellence, honoring legends of the industry and recognizing women entrepreneurs in music. The awards ceremony, which is more popular than the Oscars among the Latino community in the United States, is expected to draw significant attention to Andalucía and its culture.